It's recording.
Okay, good morning guys, my name is Gino. Welcome back to another video. So today, we will be opening the PS5.
Yes.
So yeah, this is Jimmy, this is Joshua, and then the one who's naked there is my brother.
Okay.
And this is Adrian, which is the PlayStation expert. So yeah, this is the PS5.
This is a sneeze.
Bro. Okay, let's go. So okay, so here we go. We're gonna open it now. You stupid. Okay, so here we go. Jimmy, come on.
I got you.
So that we can play the PS5 now. Oh. Okay, so here's the PS5. First, we need to take out this box, which contains. Well, we all know this is the power cord for the PS5. And did you see? And this is the PS5 controller. This is the this is the what's this? The cable for the controller. So we definitely need that. This is some things we don't need.
Lights up.
And here's the HDMI, the 2.0 HDMI, the new one, right here, Bian? And this is the stand, which is we need the stand for airflow, and of course we need to stand the PS5. And to take this off, we can. Chino's gay!
Charger, bro.
Oh.
Can we get Tessa to grab that?
Yeah, tomorrow na. Let's go, come on guys!
So that means I can't play today.
Yeah, come on, so here we go. And this is the PS5. Oh, there you go. So, I need Jimmy and Hadrian to please grab the PS5 so that I can fit. Here you go, guys.
Di ganyan, ayos.
So that's the PS5. Okay, they can't.
Di ganyan, hawak.
Careful, bro. Remove the styro thing first.
Hawakan mo lang yung box sa ilalim,
There you go. And that's the PS5. So we can take that.
Careful,
Oh, we
careful.
need that. You stupid.
first.
So we need to take out this first. We don't need that anymore, and we don't need this. Now we need to take it out. Come on, take it out.
Wow, flip.
Take it out.
What's that?
So here is the PS5.
Looks like shit.
So what do you guys think of the PS5? It's heavy. Look, this is my head comparison. It is big, yeah, it is big. So it's my first time actually holding the PS5. Looks like an alien. So you just put it here. Damn. Oh, there's already scratches, man.
Hindi, ano yan, parang plastic.
There you go, that's the PS5. Joshua, PS5 right there. So we're gonna use that, we're gonna put it on the TV, and we're gonna play the PS5. So yeah guys, for now, we're gonna set up the PS5 and I'll see you guys later.
Peace.
You better include that.
3, 2, 1, go.
I need a laptop charger, bro. Yeah, go.
Today we're gonna turn on the PS5. Here we go, first time. Guys, the goes on.
Oh!
It's fake from China. PS5 channel. PS5.
So many TV.
This is PS4.
Here we go. Almost on my TV.
Yun pala.
Oh! Oh
So, so ginamit ko na yung user kaya di na ganun yun, ganun. So,
X na yung select, hindi na circle? What the?
pwede mo palitan sa yun.
Tara, teke na tayo.
Lakasan natin. Hindi na. 20, that's so fucking weak.
Should I film you?
Papasok pa
Yeah.
si din ito dyan.
Miles Morales!
Mas moras na tayo.
When you
Download
gonna
mo
end
pa
it?
yun.
Oo.
It's okay, let's go.
Wait lang.
Miles Morales! Shut up. POV. Dude, I remember your science videos.
No!
You were eating those flakes.
Oh, di ka paano gawin to? Yo, delete NBA. What the fuck? It's actually gay. How do connect na user? This your damn menus. Holy shit. Is there no Wi-Fi? Ay, Wi-Fi ba na? Lol.
Do you have Ethernet?
Legs!
Okay.
Muhay nakakasilap. Carl, put your record on. Guys, I have no clue how to do. Yo! Patay tayo dito.
Gender equality, man. You fucking good.
Paano? I have no clue, man.
Okay na.
Paano pumunta sa ano?
Tingnan ako. Paano exit circle na kayo? Baliktad na yung X tsaka circle.
Search mo nga sa YouTube.
Okay ka na ba?
Ano, sarap pala.
Ayun. Hindi, setup. Oo, tama. Alam mo na password?
Nakamuta ko na laro.
Hindi, password laro.
Ayun!
Ano password?
Mas tuloy. Again. Guys, you just wait. It takes so long. Oh? Can't just hold.
Yung naman lagi.
Can you connect to the internet? You need to make Open the network connection page on your computer or mobile device, such as the settings button to wireless. Okay. 8 o'clock. Oras na.
7 pa lang yata.
Pwede kayong kami yung tapi, ano? iPhone?
Sleeping, man.
Dati sige. Sige yung iPhone na dyan.
I'm going to sleep. Should I say 8 o'clock tayo na?
Ayun lang. Thank you, Joshua. So, by the way, guys, Joshua is behind filming this. He's the one who always
Professional
professional photographer. So I actually don't know how to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's my first time using the PS5. Oh. What? Hotel guest. What's our hotel room? Abraham, labas ka tapos tingin mo yung hotel room. Nandun, nakalakay sa sun. 4 digit yun, 4 digits. Guys, I have no clue how to edit this. I am very uncomfortable.
Lock the toilet. There's no lock. How am I gonna take a shit?
I have one headset. There you go. Yo! Guys, I have no clue.
Gino, how do you lock the toilet?
Bro! Let me...
1,661.
What the fuck?
1,661.
Hey, Brian, how do you lock the toilet?
Huh?
How do you lock the toilet?
Yeah, go. Guys, I have no clue how you search this. If they... Oh, okay. Call the Wi-Fi. If this doesn't work, we're gonna use we're gonna do plan B, which is gonna connect the we're going to connect the we're gonna do plan B. Let's just do plan B, guys. So I'm smart and I brought an internet cable. We're gonna connect the internet cable behind here, and I hope it works. And we're just gonna use the internet cable, which is actually like 10 times better. So if you go here, there's actually internet cable right here. Yeah, just like that. And this should be working. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna slap Joshua. Oh! Hey!
Okay na. Tega na tayo.
See, guys, told you I'm smart. Oh, Okada Wi-Fi connected.
Mapapag mo dyan. Gino,
It is connected.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yes, I'm smart.
Ay, ginagawa niyo dyan.
Oh, I can't throw that.
1661.
666, holy shit, Illuminati.
And Cabello. Terms of use, and then log in. Come on. Yes.
You're
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
successful.
Yes, guys, we did it.
Okay na.
We did it.
Teka na.
We did it. Let's go. Now we're connected to the Wi-Fi. We're
Teka
not
na.
connected to the Wi-Fi.
Teka na, teka na.
Wait, wait, no. It doesn't connect. It's not connecting.
Yes, it is.
Wait. Come on. Successful? Yes!
Okay, lagi na.
Guys, I'm smart. Told you. You can't, you know.
Binaligtad nila yung extra circle.
Yes. So we're gonna sign it to my other account.
Uy,
Oh no. So if anyone hacks my account, I'm gonna go to your house and I'll give you free PS5. Huh? Yay! I don't even know what's this. Social and open team player review.
No, edit mo lang yung profile mo. Kung makikita lang ng ibang players yung friends mo mga ganun.
Paano gawin ito?
Mamaya nilink mo
Come on, where's my account? Yes, secure account. Come on, I wanna play now. What's this? I don't want that. I just wanna play. Come on. If you see my logo, we're gonna shout. It's like a PS5 you to download. You set up your console. Why is there only one game, guys? Fortnite. Why is there only one game? You know that's not. I'll do this later, guys. Right?
Teka naman.
Here we go. Is it signed in? Is my profile here? Yes! Okay, guys, we did that. Now, let's download Mouse. Let's go. Jimmy, you don't want? We already set it up. You know what play?
Watch.
But first, tell me how to. Just go there. Just go to the other side. Just go to them.
First, ano yung si Ryan nun eh.
Oh, there's a screen here. Here we go. We're gonna download Miles Morales. Here's the Miles Morales. So by the way, guys, it's my birthday today. So thank you so much for wishing my birthday. Make sure not to press the wrong button. Okay, there's nothing in there, so we need to put it like that. Ooh. You hear that? Let's watch it. Ooh. So I want my okay, that's Tagalog. I want the. So there's someone behind here. Who's here? Who's that? Hello. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, shit. Come here, man. We're gonna piss. Come here.
So that's just an iron board, guys. So let's go. Let's connect the PS5. Right? Bye-bye. Ooh. Ooh, I like your cut, G. So I want my adapted triggers to be like super strong, so that I could experience everything. So we're just gonna go here. There you go, strong. Okay. Vibration and transparency. You know, everything needs to be strong. Volume speaker needs to be strong as well. So that's everything I think that we really want to use in this game. So what game should we play at? No, we're just waiting for Mouse Morales. And yeah, it's gonna take a long time to download. Jimmy, what is this game? Oh shit! Yo! So it's copying at the moment. So we're just gonna wait for that.
Ay, going.
So what can we play while it's copying?